Welcome. Picture in your mind's eye a brand that originated from the most humble of beginnings, a tiny nondescript garage where dreams were bigger than resources. That brand was once a mere speck in the vast ocean of the tech industry, a small fish trying to swim with the giants. Back then, it was an unknown entity, its potential hidden, its future uncertain. But today, it towers over the tech landscape, its name synonymous with innovation, quality, and success. Yes, we're talking about the one and only, the iconic Apple Inc. The narrative of Apple Inc. is not one of overnight success. Rather, it is of perseverance, determination, and strategic planning. It's a tale that speaks to the power of a clear vision, a robust brand strategy, and an unwavering commitment to delivering unparalleled user experiences. The story of Apple is a compelling testament to the impact a well-crafted, well-executed brand strategy can have on a company's trajectory. In the midst of the bustling tech craze of the early 90s, Apple found itself teetering on the edge of a precipice. On brink of bankruptcy, it was staring at an uncertain future. Its survival was not guaranteed. Its potential was in danger of being unrealized. However, that's when the tide turned for Apple. Under the inspiring and visionary leadership of co-founder Steve Apple embarked on a journey of transformation. Jobs, a maverick innovator with an uncanny understanding of consumer needs and technology trends, charted a new course for Apple. He laid a clear brand strategy, focusing on distinctive design, intuitive user interfaces, and cutting-edge technology. This wasn't just a gamble or a hopeful experiment. This was a calculated move, a strategic pivot that would forever change the face of the tech industry. It was this clear brand strategy that breathed new life into Apple, saving it from the brink of extinction and setting it on a path to unparalleled success. It wasn't a stroke of luck, but a result of a clear brand strategy, an unwavering commitment to innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence that brought Apple back from the brink. Let's delve into the Apple case study to understand the principles of brand strategy. Apple, the tech giant known all around the globe, has always been an intriguing subject for those interested in the business world, primarily because of its unique and successful brand strategy. Bridging the gap between technology and style, Apple has carved out a unique identity in the market. The tech giant's brand strategy is a goldmine of principles that companies can leverage to achieve similar success. One of the key principles which Apple has capitalized on is innovation, always being one step ahead of the game. Apple's unshakable commitment to innovation has been evident since its inception. The brand has always been about breaking the mold and venturing into uncharted technological territories. They have this relentless drive to push the boundaries of what's technologically possible, continuously redefining the landscape of the tech industry. This commitment to innovation, this desire to stay ahead, to stay relevant, is what differentiates Apple from its competitors, firmly positioning it as a market leader. Another principle that's at the heart of Apple's strategy is its customer-centric approach. Apple is not just a brand that sells products, but a brand that understands and caters to its consumers' needs and desires. By going the extra mile to understand their consumers, by being receptive to their feedback, Apple has been able to refine its products, provide an unrivaled user experience, and build a fiercely loyal consumer base that acts as the most significant brand ambassadors. This on the customer, this commitment to exceeding expectations, has been pivotal in Apple maintaining its stronghold in the tech industry. Creating a strong brand identity is another critical principle in Apple's brand strategy playbook. The apple with a bite, the brand's iconic logo, is recognized globally and has become synonymous with innovation, quality, and superior design. The brand's identity is so compelling, so robust, that it transcends just being a logo and becomes a status symbol. Possessing an Apple product signifies style, sophistication, and a forward-thinking mindset. It's not just about owning a piece of technology, it's about being part of a community that values quality and innovation. Lastly, the power of storytelling has been a cornerstone of Apple's brand strategy. Apple has always been about more than just selling products. It's about selling a lifestyle, a vision, a dream. By consistently communicating its vision and values through compelling narratives, Apple has been able to foster an emotional connection with its consumers. This storytelling approach allowed Apple to connect with its consumers on a deeper level, fostering strong emotional connections. It wasn't just about selling products. It was about selling a lifestyle, a vision, a dream. This storytelling approach allowed Apple to connect with its consumers on a deeper level, fostering strong emotional connections. In conclusion, Apple's success story underscores the importance of a meticulous brand strategy. Apple's journey from a struggling tech startup to a globally recognized tech behemoth has been nothing short of impressive. This transformation was not achieved overnight. Apple's focus on innovation, its customer-centric approach, its powerful brand identity, and its ability to weave compelling narratives around its products and services turned it from a fledgling company into a revered industry titan. One of the most crucial factors contributing to Apple's success is its unwavering focus on innovation. The company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology and design has been unequaled. It has consistently brought products to market that have not only reshaped entire industries, but also radically altered consumer behavior. Apple's stance on innovation is a lesson for any brand, irrespective of industry, aspiring to create a powerful impact and leave a lasting impression. Just as pivotal to Apple's ascent is its customer-centric philosophy. Apple has always put its customers first, considering their needs and wishes in every decision it makes. This attention to the customer experience has resulted in products and services that consumers love and led to unparalleled customer loyalty. This focus on the customer is at the heart of any successful brand strategy. Furthermore, a strong brand identity has been central to Apple's success. The minimalist design of the Apple logo, the sleek appearance of its products, and the premium positioning of the brand in consumers' minds have all contributed to this strong identity. This brand identity has not only differentiated Apple from its competitors, but also fostered a deep emotional connection between the brand and its customers. However, a robust brand strategy is not complete without compelling storytelling. Apple has masterfully crafted narratives around its products, often selling not just a product but a lifestyle, a philosophy, a way of thinking. These narratives have resonated deeply with consumers and have been instrumental in building the strong brand image Apple enjoys today. In essence, these principles of brand strategy are not exclusive to Apple. They are universal and can be applied to any brand aspiring to make a mark in its industry. They remind us that a brand is not simply a logo or a product, it's a promise, a vision, a story. And a well-executed brand strategy is what brings this story to life. So as we conclude, remember these key points. Focus on innovation, prioritize the customer, create a strong brand identity, and tell compelling stories. These are the ingredients of a successful brand strategy. And who knows, with the right strategy, your brand might be the next Apple.